afternoon, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's begin the session.
Yes.
Are you all ready?
Yes.
Let's start.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So first time
Ma'am, your
I'm from the
video is
school now. I think our last class I was there at a home, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
And there was we had a lot of network issues. And I hope my audio and my voice and my video, everything is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think we can start.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
I can hear you, everybody. I can hear you, everyone. No worries at all.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Let's start the class. So this is afternoon session. I know that some of you are feeling a bit lazy. I can see some lazy faces in my class. I don't want my lazy children in the class. Okay. Let's have a refresh. Come on. Stand up, everybody. Stand up. Come. Stand up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands down. Then hands up. Hands down. Okay, jump. Okay, ma'am is going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 jump. Is that enough? Okay, everybody. Now you are back to the class. Then sit down, everybody. Sit down. No need of taking any books. Please keep it closed. We are not going to read anything. We are not going to write anything. Just close your books and keep it there. No need to touch any book. And just listen to ma'am. Can I speak to you?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we are learning the first lesson. And before introducing the first lesson, I think I had already told you about the continents, the oceans. Our Earth is the one and only planet in the solar system that supports life. Okay? Our Earth is the... Okay, you have studied in your third standard about solar system, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
The second term, you had already studied about. Okay. And here ma'am is saying our Earth is the one and only planet in the solar system to have life, to support life. Air, water. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
And in the last class, I already discussed about the large land masses on Earth. What we can call the large land masses on Earth?
Continents.
Continents. Very good. Excellent. Okay, tell me, there are how many continents?
Ma'am, 7 continents.
There are 7 continents. Then the huge water bodies, what we can say, the huge water bodies.
Oceans.
Wow. Excellent. I love you all.
Love you too.
Yeah, thank you.
Love you
So-
too.
I love you. Next. So there are 7 continents and 5 major oceans on our Earth. Okay?
Yes,
And who can remember the names of 7 continents? Can anybody? Not everyone together. Better I can call Ameya. Ameya, please unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the names of 7 continents?
Ocean, river,
Huh? 7 continents, baby. The large land masses on Earth. The 7 continents. Okay, Janvi, you can unmute and speak. Janvi, you can unmute and speak. Okay, tell me what are the 7 continents on Earth?
Asia.
Okay, very good. Okay, tell me. So here's my next question. What's the name of our country? What's the name of our country? India. Okay, we belong to which continent?
Asia.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, then there are 7 continents. Okay, the first one, Asia.
Asia,
Then
Australia, Australia,
North America, South America, Europe, and Antarctica.
Antarctica, Africa,
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. Please mute your device and sit. Asia and Maria, you are not there in the video. Okay. Now you are back. A-N-S-E-A. Do you remember the short form that I have taught you in the last class? And C. Okay. First A stands for Asia. The second A, Africa. Third A, Australia. Then N. N stands for North America. Then S stands for South America. E stands for Europe. And the last A, Antarctica. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we discussed about oceans. I think you were not there in our previous session, right?
Emma,
The
you were
first-
not there in the previous.
We had network issue.
You had a network issues. Okay. Here I am just repeating for them. Those who are not attended the last class, I'm just repeating for them. We have studied about 7 continents and we have studied about 5 major oceans on our earth. The 5 oceans are, what is the short form we studied? P-A-I-A. P stands for Pacific Ocean. A stands for Atlantic Ocean. I stands for Indian Ocean. Then Arctic Ocean. Then Antarctic. Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean.
Last class we didn't study ocean's name.
Ocean's name we didn't study it in the last class?
Only 7 continents we have.
Okay, I will share the screen. Okay, do one thing, everybody. Please take your rough book. Take out your rough book. Here, ma'am is going to share the screen. The easy way to learn to by heart the names of continents. Now look at the board. Which color board do you want? Is this enough?
Yes, blue.
Blue color you want.
Red. Blue, please.
Red color board. Okay, I selected red color. Then tell me which color pen you need.
Pink.
Black color.
Here, ma'am is going to write continents. Continents. All of you look at the board and you can copy down to your rough book. Continents.
Ma'am, continents we write.
Continents. Okay, you can write one more time. Continents. A. N. S. E. A. The first one how you can read the name of a girl, Anne. Then second set, C. Very easy to learn, no? Here we have one Anne in our class. And C. That's the easy way to by heart the names of continents. The first A stands for Asia, Africa, then Australia. Other will take a rough book and write Australia.
I'm writing.
Okay. Then North America. North America. North America. Then S stands for South America. South America. Then E stands for Europe. The last A stands for Antarctica. Antarctica. The spelling is a bit difficult.
Ma'am, I knew the spelling. Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Antarctica.
Ma'am, finish.
This is the
Finish.
easy way to by heart the large land masses on the earth that are continents and see Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica. Shall I rub the board?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
I've told you to write fast.
Ma'am, mine is not finished.
Yeah, complete fast. Those who have completed, please show me your rough book in front of the camera so that I can make sure that you are completed. Please show me your rough book in front of the camera. Okay, very good. Now, Ameya, do first. Anne Maria, Aditri, Nihariga, Adarv. Do fast. Then next we will write the oceans. The 5 major oceans on our earth. Srirukta, very good. Aditya Krishna, show me a book. Aditya, show me a book. Vedika, Mayasa, show me a book, baby. Sribhadra, Adwaita, Arjun.
Ma'am, do we have to write this in the notebook or rough book?
Rough book, no, we don't have a notebook for EVS 1 or 2. We are following workbook and a textbook only.
Ma'am, finish.
So whatever I would like to say, listen children, you need to whatever write and study, everything should be done in the rough book. Arjun Vinayak, you know that from last year onwards, you know very well. Then still some. Azad, show me your book. Pranav Prarthana, Ain Maria, Achyut. Come on, fast.
I finished.
Okay, now ma'am is going to write.
Ma'am, finish.
Oceans, are you ready? The huge water bodies on our earth. The huge water bodies on our earth. Oceans. Let's write oceans.
Now.
Who is talking? Keep quiet and look at the board and write oceans. O-C-E-A-N. Yes, oceans. Then, what is the short form to by heart oceans, you know? P-A. Copy down. Everybody please write down. I-A. Pi. Okay. P-A-I-A-A. Okay, P stands for Pacific Ocean. P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific Ocean. P stands for Pacific Ocean. Then A stands for Atlantic Ocean. Actually, this is not, these portions are not there in your textbook. For your general knowledge, ma'am is teaching. Okay, please keep in mind, this ocean's name, the continent's name is not mentioned anywhere in your textbook. For your general knowledge, I am teaching this oceans and continents name. Please keep in mind and write down. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, then Indian Ocean. Because for learning this lesson, you must know about the continents and the oceans on our earth. Indian
Ma'am, in the
Ocean.
map we have.
Indian Ocean. Then next A stands for Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic spelling, be careful. A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic Ocean. Then Antarctic Ocean. E-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C. Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Is it clear?
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. The easy way to by heart the names of oceans on our earth. P stands for Pacific Ocean. A stands for Atlantic Ocean. I stands for Indian Ocean. A stands for Arctic Ocean. And the last A stands for Antarctic Ocean. Here, ma'am is going to, shall I stop share the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do it. After that, I will share one video to you. Do you want to see the video?
Antarctic.
Azad, what you are doing? Sit properly, Azad.
Ma'am, video get off.
The class didn't we rate
Who's talking in the class in Malayalam?
Video got off.
Okay, ma'am is going to rub the board.
Ma'am, your video is off.
Oh, I can hear you, children.
Ma'am, finished.
Now listen, children. So now you have learned about the 7 continents, means large land masses on our earth, and you have studied about the 5 major oceans, the 5 huge water bodies on our earth. And here ma'am is going to share one video. Please listen. Understood. Okay, we are back to the class. And now you know about the 7 continents and the 5 oceans on our earth. Is it clear? Any doubts regarding this? Give me a thumbs up. Everybody give me a thumbs up.
No, ma'am.
I hope everybody understood, Catherine. Okay, let us move to the next point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then give me your cute smile. Come close to the camera. Can I have a touch? Okay. Let us continue.
Yes, ma'am.
I love you all.
Love you too, ma'am.
Oh, so cute. Your smile. Oh, Samma so seriously, sitting so seriously. Adar, why are you not smiling at me? You don't like me? No, you're okay. Back to the class. Yes. Can you stand up, children? Please stand up. Sit down. Stand up.
Ma'am, it's a game.
Yes. In our EVS2 class, sometimes we play and we will learn. So now you know about the 7 continents. You can sit down. Sit down, everybody. And don't touch the book, okay? After the class, you can open the textbook and you can read it. Whatever it is, you can read it, okay? But not in the class. Now listen to me. We all love to travel. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I like to travel. But
I like to travel.
okay, we all love to go to picnic.
I like to Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But is it possible nowadays to go for
No,
a picnic?
no, ma'am.
Oh,
No,
due to this
ma'am.
pandemic condition, this deadly virus, corona, we are forcefully stuck in our home. We are not able to meet our friends. We cannot go out. Oh, such a horrible situation, right?
Ma'am,
All love to go to picnic,
Ma'am?
but we cannot.
And
Yes.
ma'am, the police and doctors are fighting with them.
Yeah, we all are fighting.
are the
We can throw this deadly coronavirus from our.
We should
From our
wear
trees.
mask and sanitize.
Yeah. Okay. Now listen, children. Let me continue the topic. Yes. Here, ma'am is talking about 300, 400 years back. Okay, in very, very olden days, you know, that time also people used to travel. And what happened? No, it was the only possible way to travel across Asia, Africa, Europe by land. People know only the routes on land. Then what happened? You know, in very olden days, if any person from Europe wanted to travel from one place to another, only land roads through the roads on the land. And after some time, you know what happened? Some rulers from Asia, some rulers in Europe, some rulers. Then Africa, they blocked all the way. All the roads these rulers blocked. But still people have to travel, no? And what happened? These rulers, they blocked. All the roads, they blocked. Then we have to find out, no, they had to find out another way to travel. Then what did, you know? They start traveling through the sea. Okay, there are many travelers, many explorers. Oh, this emperors, this rulers, this king, all were, one king, one emperor will say, I don't know allow anyone to pass through my land. This is my area. I'm going to block this way. And all the rulers said like this. Then how the people can travel from one place to another? They have to find out another way. Am I right?
Yes.
Then what did know? They started searching for new path, new sea route. They started their journey, searching for a new place or finding out more about an unknown place. There are many travelers, many explorers. They started their traveling through the sea, through their ship. Maybe climate may be very horrible, but still they keep on traveling through the sea. And some of the famous explorers like, see, traveling means that exploring. Should I speak something about Dora? How many of you like Dora, the cartoon? Dora the Explorer?
I will not see. Ma'am, I will not see the TV.
You don't like Dora, the Explorer, the cartoon?
I will not see. No, ma'am, I will not see.
Okay. Actually, that girl Dora is what she's doing throughout the cartoon. She is exploring new places. And with her friend Buji, along with the Buji, this Dora, she's always exploring one place to another. Okay, come on, Buji, we can go to that place. We can go to this place. She's doing like that, right? Throughout the cartoon, she's doing that. I think Hale is smiling. Hale, you like? I think she loves to watch Dora. Am I right, Hale? Do you like to watch the cartoon Dora? I like to watch cartoon Dora.
Ma'am, my sister like to.
I love to watch cartoon Dora. I'm not much big.
Also.
Adar, how are you? Do you like to watch the cartoon Dora?
No, ma'am.
Oh, no.
The photos of explorers.
Okay. Ameya, keep it there. Ameya, did I ask you anything? No. Yes. Listen, we'll back to the class. So searching for a place or finding out more about an unknown place is known as exploration. So today we learn a new word, exploration. What is exploration? Searching for a new place or finding out to know more about an unknown place is known as exploration. Is known as exploration. Can you please repeat after me? Exploration. Okay. There are many explorers. There are many people who travel. Listen, explorers, you know who are explorers? Are people who travel and find out more about a place. Travel and find out more about a place. Okay, who are explorers? They travel and find out more about a place. Are known as explorers.
Explorers.
Actually, our Dora is also one explorer. Am I right? Do you want to see Dora now?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many of you love to watch Dora now?
Yes.
Raise your hands.
Ma'am, I will see the horror I will see the horror movies.
Okay. That's enough. You all are the
Ma'am,
fourth
I
standard
see
children.
movie.
Don't much. Okay, this is enough for you. Actually, what ma'am is saying, Dora is also an explorer, and there are many famous explorers. Okay. First of all, here ma'am is going to share the pictures of some explorers and what is exploration. Okay, now you can watch.
Ma'am, I still
Keep
like
quiet
Dora.
and listen the class. No unwanted talking in the class. Got it? Okay, this is our first lesson, explorations, discoveries and inventions. Okay, this is the name of the lesson. And see the next point. What is exploration? Adira, look at the board and read. What is exploration?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others, please listen and read. Adira, searching for a place or finding out more about an unknown place is called exploration.
Called exploration.
Exploration. Then, who are explorers? Are people who travel and find out more about a place. Explorers are people who travel and find out more about a place. Okay, then next. Here I'm showing the famous some explorers. Vasco da Gama. Now you're watching the first one, Vasco da Gama, the first European to discover a sea route to reach India from Europe. The second one, Alexandrine Time. She explored the path followed by River Nile in Africa for the first time. The next famous explorer, Ferdinand Magellan. He only proved that the earth is round. Ferdinand Magellan, he proved earth is round. Then Yuri Gagarin. He was the first person to travel to space. I hope everybody understood today's topic. Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
So we learned about exploration and let me talk something, children. Can you please mute your device and listen to ma'am? Okay, so today's our time is over. We have learned about exploration. What is exploration? And there are some famous explorers in the world. Okay, we will continue the same session in the next class. So that's all for today. Just go through a textbook and read the lesson well. And go through the textbook pictures.
Okay, ma'am.
Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a thumbs
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
Give me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
all.
ma'am.
I love you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care, take care, take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
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 Bye.